Hey, right now I'm out in the woods and I find a beautiful place to sit down here in the rain in a triple birch. You see, they are triple trees into one. And oh, there was a hole. There we go. Yeah, I'm harmonizing myself out here in the woods more or less every day. Today I have a track for 10 kilometers, 1 Swedish mile, and I really feel that the nature is healing me. I always get such a soft light and stabilized energy out in the woods. We have a Swedish expression that the unconditional love is my God and the nature is my church. And I really feel into that expression is the right for me. And as you can hear, it's raining. I love water. I recently moved out to a new city here in Sweden, closer to the waterline, to the coast, because I'm longing so much for the water. And now here in the wood, you can see there, it's a nice little river floating down. I shall give you a more beautiful picture here down where it's a little bit more noisy. So just to talk about the nature, and I'm out daily in the woods because I have to feel grounded and connected to the earth. Otherwise my spirit is taking over a little bit too much. So I can almost feel sometimes that I'm leaving my body into another dimension, and sometimes it's really good, but I have to be grounded. Therefore I'm out in the woods, in the nature, so it's important for me. And to be close to the water is also cleansing my mind. Just to listen to this pouring noise is making my mind calm, and I can really feel the love connection through myself and the nature, that we are melting together. Yeah, it's wonderful. So let's take a little walk down here to... This is a beautiful Swedish nature. Yeah, it's coming here. I love this sound. It's so powerful, but also so soft. It's lively. It's clinging with the life, and it's beautiful to just watch. This is the nature's song. I can listen to it for hours, actually, for hours. Right on this spot, I can't hear any birds. But in other spots, there's been so many birds. And they are singing so beautiful right now. And as I walked through a bird singing spot, I just stopped and thought about this is really dating. They are dating each other. The boys, the males, they are singing, and they are in a sort of contest with each other to sing more beautiful, even more beautiful. And the girls, the women, they are just listening. They are listening to the songs, and they are approaching one of the males singing even more beautiful than the others, jumping, flying from one branch to another. Maybe they hear a new one, even more beautiful. So they move along. They fly to another branch until they find the man to be the father of their little children, not children, the buddies. Yeah, it's nice. And I love to be alone here in the woods. I'm meeting people now and then, just saying hello, hi, in a friendly way, because that is something also that I can feel inside myself, that I'm more and more into kindness. We need to be kind with each other. I'm starting to be allergic to evilness. When someone is nasty, just saying something that he or she knows is hurting someone, oh, it makes me feel so bad. So I'm on my life track, spreading love, spreading kindness and love as much as I'm able to. I have lots of things to work with myself, of course, but I'm getting there. I'm in harmony with myself, and I really love myself. But I can be even better, even a better person. So, I hope you have a joyful day, and see you. Bye-bye. Love and light to you.